Garage part 2. Last week I was able to get the other side of the garage straightened up. This week I'm tackling this part. I'm going to take a few of the summer and spring items out there to get out of here to clear some of the space. Need to get rid of this lawnmower. Need to get that corner straightened up. I got a lot of extra wood and things. I'm thinking about maybe trying to build a nice other shelf in addition to these shelves, just to kind of make myself some space. A lot of stuff's gonna be going in the trash. Got one working lawnmower, 2 sitting there, one I need to do something with. And then this I put out here. I'm gonna figure out what to do with that. One of the legs broke. I'm thinking about flipping it upside down and use it, and I'm also thinking about throwing it in the trash. So, let's see what happens. CW, got a helper. Let's see what happens with this mess. Little redneck ingenuity going here. We had some boards that were clogging up that corner over there. So we're gonna try to build a table that I can park the lawnmower under. And then we can put stuff on top of the table, like it's a shelf.
Yep.
It's all coming together.
Going down right here.
Right here. Just gotta make sure we're cutting between the nails.
I know this one kind of lines up.
We're really working on cutting between the nails.
I know.
Getting better at it.
All
Final cut. Final cut.
As certified professionals.
Yeah.
Certified professionals, we have this. We got this under control.
You can assume we have goggles on.
All precautions have been made.
Safety equipment.
All right, here we go.
Here we go.
All right, half of it.
Yeah. CW asked me how old the blade was. I told him however old the saw was. It's how old the blade is.
Chris? All right.
Oh, hang on.
You got that?
Stick a nail on my leg.
Get there. Hey, get there where it's not gonna get the screw. That screw next to your ankle.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You got it? All right.
We're good to go.
And I can come up.
It's not gonna move.
All right. Say it. Here you go. May want to retire this blade. It's done.
This may be the last. When we said the final cut, we mean the final cut with this blade.
And I think that means Chris has got to buy a brand new saw.
I gotta get a brand new saw because my blades.
What are you gonna do? How are you gonna replace that?
Oh, let's get a new saw.
Done. Straighten her off.
All right.
See how she is.
Pretty.
All right. Hey, don't look at that part.
Pretty straight.
Chipped right there.
We'll fix that.
That's right.
Don't worry. Don't worry. When you see this table.
Perfectly 34.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
On the button.
Yep. 34
Ish.
inches.
All right. Get right in there. Zoom in there.
Okay. I went ahead. I started that first nail in there for that table. It's going to be pretty good. Once we get this thing put together, I'm going to be able to park my lawnmower.
It's going well.
Under that. I'm going to get under the... It's a good start.
Got the brace in the bottom we're going to do too? Got
well, we might move it up a little bit. It's going to be nice. Let's consider this...
work in progress.
Yeah, we're working. Getting there. All right, this corner right here, we have solved a problem. Used to, I had my lawnmower over here in the corner and it stuck out here, so when you came by in the car, it was in the way. So now, thanks to our building prowess, we fixed it where I can put this under here. Now I got this table I can store stuff on. And this shelf that had the broken leg, I've turned upside down. So now it's perfectly sturdy. Thumbs up. That's why I got my PhD. Post hole diggers. All right, this is gonna become my fishing corner right here with all my old bass fishing stuff, my boxes and everything. I'm gonna store them on this shelf that I turned upside down. I rigged up some of the backs of like these for sale garage sign kind of wires, and I rigged them up there and hung them off of the rafters so that I have a place to hang my fishing rods. I mean, or to you know, brace them up there at the top, and then I'm putting them over here on the shelf so I can kind of keep them all separated so they won't all be in the corner in a big wad like they were before. Now I can get them cleaned up. You know what? I could probably buy some more rods and reels. If I could store them all up here, I could probably fill this whole ceiling with rods and reels. I'll work on that.